Hey everyone, I'm Bill. That's Bogna. We're with Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Lake Hennessy. Welcome back to 2020 Ducati Streetfighter, 2021 Panigale V2. And well, today's a reshoot video. You ready? She's just sit there because she's faster than me now. So she's like, I'll catch up to you. You know, sometimes things just don't work out in videos. Go. And this is one that I had shot for you guys. You guys saw a little teaser of this, but I shot you guys a full video, and I don't know, something happened. A bug hit the camera or something, but I got a lot of Euro followers, and I have to be honest, I can't figure out the conversion from kilometers per hour to miles per hour. And you guys sometimes, some of you haters comment that I'm riding in kilometers per hour here in the US. Well, I've switched the old odometer or speedometer to kilometers per hour to give you guys a little bonus ride through the Lake Hennessy to Berryessa. You guys know this is my favorite jam. You guys are unfamiliar with the bonus ride. I'm gonna ride, no talkie, righty, and let's listen to this verbs on this bike. So let's get past a few traffics and get you guys a nice little bonus ride here. welcome back, you guys. This thing is just, I just absolutely love this bike. Woo! Never really had issues on the street with the suspension, so plus I have it in the dynamic suspension, so I don't really, it feels pretty good. Bogdan's not far behind. I'm getting to the point where I just can't even ride with her anymore. She's so damn fast. But thank you guys for sticking around. Quick little bonus ride up here to Turtle Rock. The V2's got some work going on. We got new exhaust going on this. If you guys missed the last video, exhaust going on that, so stay tuned. But thank you guys again. Also, I set a record today. First fuel light came on at 62 miles. The very first ride up here, 62 miles. But thank you guys for sticking around. Do the normal, hit the subscribe button, smash the like button, and then ring the bell notification. Bell notification is going to give you future notifications, future content here on the channel. Typey. Comment down below. We reply to all comments every single night, so do so. And thank you guys for sticking around, and we'll see you back here on the street soon. Bye, guys.